Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. Okay, so look, the bears aren't totally dead yet, and that's great. We want a two-sided tape, right? So all-time highs back on Monday. They bring it in. They test the daily mid-band yesterday, and they're trying to deal with the 9 right now. So I did an evening wrap up yesterday right after the close. If you haven't had a chance to catch that, go back and catch it. What we talked about there was the hard push down, converting weekly pivot, converting the 9-day, getting down into the 20-day, the daily mid-band, not being able to get it done, and then basically taking it up to weekly pivot into the close. What I said at that point in time is, you know, the bears really had to take a stand here and try to hold this area. They've done their best. I mean, they took it up over the top a little bit. They didn't get clean resistance. We messed around with the short side a little bit early in Globex. We ended up long and paid later on in Globex. Then get stopped out on the Europe Open. Europe came in and they knocked it down pretty well here at 3 o'clock hour. They have been able to hold the 9-day and hold the weekly pivot for the subsequent, 6 hours? Not bad. Not bad. Now, it's 10 after 9 here on the East Coast. So in 20 minutes, they're going to turn the lights on. The question is, do the rats scatter, or are they going to put a day together? I can't stress enough how important it is for the bears to close the day below weekly pivot in the 9-day. An ideal close would be to take out these lows and close it somewhere below 44.1175. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. We are talking about the bears. What do the bulls need to do? Well, you need to create some kind of a higher low. I don't think you want to break 44.32 half. You need to take out the Globex highs, and you want to definitely close above this area. Look, it's Wednesday, and we're still fighting over the weekly pivot. Yeah, it's indecisive, but also it's some great two-sided trading. So it's been a couple of great days to trade, and we got goals and things met heading into this morning. That, you know, if our day in the room for our subscribers is made before the day starts, that's a good day. That's a good day. So volume weighted average price is sitting at 44.40 half. Hourly mid band 44.3965. As I said, 43 and change is the 9-day, 45 is your weekly pivot. So that big chunk of price there, 45 to 39, that's the inflection point. That's the zone. You win that zone, you win the day, in my opinion. And both sides have a good chance at it today. And we'll see where they close relative to not only the 9-day and the weekly pivot. But since you've gone down here and tested it, bears, at 1766, you need to break it today and ideally close below it. All right, a couple things administratively before I tell everybody to have a great day. Tomorrow at noon, I am doing a free live training, about a half an hour, 45 minutes, over in our new Princeton Trader Trading Education Facebook group, private Facebook group, which I recommend. If you follow this webcast, you need to join that group, because in addition to the webcast and things like that, there's going to be exclusive charts in there. I'm going to do live trainings in there, which is a lot more interaction with me and a chance to ask questions and things like that. So I would definitely get over there. We're launching it. We've been soft launching it over the summer, but now that we're hitting September, we're launching the whole thing with a live training tomorrow at noon. Those are going to happen every week, and whatever good stuff that I can think up to do, and whatever stuff the members want me to do. It's free. Head on over. I would love to see you guys there. There's a link to sign up on the Twitter scroll. There'll be a link to sign up here, not the comments, but the description section of this video. So come on over and check it out. You can also check us out over on Reddit and everywhere else that you normally do. So with that, I hope I see everybody tomorrow. It's gonna be. I'm excited. I'm always excited to do new stuff. So everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Trade them well. If you really want to get to know us, come join the room. And I will see everybody tomorrow at the live training in the private Facebook group. And for tomorrow's video, I'll probably do, I'm planning to do another wrap-up video tonight. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you then. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.